Need cash fast? Imagine getting paid every single day from the comfort of your home. I'm about to show you 7 websites that pay you daily for easy work from home jobs. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these websites offer opportunities to earn daily. No waiting for weeks or months to get paid, just cash in your account every day. And don't miss our bonus tip at the end for maximizing your daily earnings. First up is Swagbucks, where you can earn cash or gift cards just by completing simple tasks. Swagbucks pays you for taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and even searching the web. It's one of the most popular reward sites, and you can cash out your earnings daily through PayPal or gift cards. The tasks are quick and easy, making this a perfect way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Looking for something with a bit more variety? Amazon Mechanical Turk offers a wide range of tasks you can do from home. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a platform where you can complete small tasks like data entry, transcribing, or categorizing images. These tasks, called HITs, human intelligence tasks, pay anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars each. While the pay per task might seem small, the work is quick and the earnings add up fast. You can transfer your earnings to your bank account daily. ClickWorker is another great site where you can earn money daily by completing simple tasks. ClickWorker offers a variety of tasks like writing, proofreading, surveys, and web research. You can work whenever you want and get paid weekly, but if you reach the payout threshold quickly, you can request payments daily. The platform is user-friendly and the tasks are straightforward, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to make money from home. Get paid to test websites and apps with user testing. User testing pays you to test websites and apps and give your feedback. Each test takes about 20 minutes and pays $10, which can be deposited directly into your PayPal account. It's a simple way to earn money daily while helping companies improve their user experience. Inbox Dollars is similar to Swagbucks, but with a few extra earning opportunities. Inbox Dollars pays you for taking surveys, reading emails, playing games, and watching videos. The tasks are easy, and you can cash out your earnings daily once you reach the minimum threshold. It's a reliable way to earn extra cash without leaving your home. Turn your skills into daily earnings with Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you can offer services or gigs starting at $5. Whether you're good at graphic design, writing, or even voiceovers, you can set up a gig and start earning. Once you complete a job, you can withdraw your earnings to your PayPal or bank account daily. It's a great way to turn your skills into cash fast. Get paid daily for transcription and captioning work with RevRev offers transcription, captioning, and subtitling jobs that you can do from home. The pay is per minute of audio or video transcribed, and once your work is approved, you can cash out your earnings daily. Rev is flexible, allowing you to work as much or as little as you want. Here's how to maximize your daily earnings. Sign up for multiple websites and spread your tasks across them. This way, you can ensure a steady stream of income and take advantage of different payout thresholds. The more platforms you use, the more opportunities you have to earn every single day. And that's it. 7 websites that pay you daily for easy work from home jobs. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or replace it entirely, these sites can help you get there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money from home. We've got more great content coming your way, including insider secrets to earning passive income online. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next video.